Alrighty, this is Chevy Silverado 2014. Uh, we will be replacing the condenser. The condenser is leaking freon, and it's a hot day today. Anyway, I have my fan with water coming out. That's a misty water coming out right there on my fan. And then here's the truck. So what I plan to do is we'll have to remove this bar right here, this middle bar. I have to remove that before we can get into the AC condenser. So the condenser is right here. Okay, so I have to remove the air box. So I already got this thing pulled out, and now I just need to pull the bottom part. Okay, so you just need to apply pressure over here and then pull like that. Alright, so I got all the bolts out. There's 3 on this side over here, and 3 on the other end, and then there's this 13 bolt right here, and also one right there. So alright, so I've got them all out. Now I'm ready to pull this thing out. Alrighty. Okay, now we're just gonna pull this bar out. There. Just have to play with it until you get them out. There you go. Okay, now it's out. Give us an access to work on the AC condenser. You should be able to pull that AC condenser without any problem. Alrighty, now we have to remove the plastic cover right here. There you go. Now give us an access on the condenser right here. So we'll be removing this line right here, transmission line, and another transmission line right there, and then we get the AC line down underneath. Alright. Alrighty. So underneath right there, there is the clips. So you have to pull the clips out, and then should be able to loosen the nut on here, and make sure you don't lose that clip right there. Alright, so once you remove this clip right here, alright, so all you do is just pull this thing out, pull the line out. That's a transmission line. Alrighty, now I'm ready to pull the condenser out. Okay, just like that. Alright, so I got the condenser out. There you go. Alright, so the one on the right is the old one, and the one on the left is the new one. Alright, so we're gonna have to check the parts, make sure they're all the same. Alrighty, so we got the line right here for the transmission, and also a line here for the transmission, and we got that one there for the AC line. So everything looks exactly alike. So now we're ready to install the new condenser. And again, the installation is just the reversal of the removal of the AC condenser.